Up. It feels like you're floating in space because you don't really see the ride.
Yep. Look at this view.
I like to shoot. I've shot it a few times with my camera.
Yeah.
I should have had the camera with me now. It would have been quite nice.
Perfect.
But I'm always a little bit lazy. Like, should I bring the camera?
Yeah.
Should I bring the camera? But it's hard to ride and shoot at the same time. I can only focus on one thing. So today I choose fun.
There'll be more days like this.
Yeah.
For you anyway here.
That's what I always say when I realize when it's like September. I expect it to tilt or something, but it doesn't tilt.
No. Just goes down. Now. Now. Yo! Oh!